Okay, so we've now connected the magnet, disconnected the magnet, and we got just the drag on the back of this truck. So this can be done on any flat surface you're doing. It could be a parking lot, racetrack, running track, whatever. It just picks up any kind of dirt or crap you might have on the surface, and we'll keep it all inside those bins for you to empty out later. Gets rid of the stuff you don't want, so you can move it right to the garbage. So this thing is pretty handy for picking up any, like Don was saying, we just get a ton of rocks and pebbles, and you don't want these jets sandblasting each other every time they turn around, or throwing rocks and crap all over the place from the jet wash or the discharge of the jets, because that just leads to damage, and then people get mad at each other, people get hurt, and that's no fun. So this thing prevents all of that. You just run around, nice easy job, sit in the air conditioning, just drag her around and then have someone clean it out when you're done and go to lunch.